If Microsoft Edge is automatically enhancing your videos and you want to turn that feature off, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off enhanced videos in Edge so your playback stays the way you prefer. This is useful if you want to avoid unwanted image processing, keep the original look of videos, or simply reduce extra effects while watching online content. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the browser settings. From the menu, choose Settings. This will take you into the main Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, find and click System and Performance. This section controls a lot of browser behavior related to speed, performance, and media playback. After that, select System. Inside the system settings, look for the option called Enhance Videos. This is the setting that may be changing how videos look while you watch them in Edge. To turn it off, simply toggle Enhance Videos to the off position. Once it's disabled, Edge will stop applying that enhancement effect to your videos. In many cases, the change happens right away, but if you don't notice via instantly, just refresh the page or close and reopen the browser to make sure the setting takes effect. And that's it. You've successfully turned off enhanced videos in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.